In today's video, I'm going to show you this Husky Swivel Head flashlight. It's kind of like the old military style. It has 6 modes, some special functions like turbo, which jumps it up to 1300 lumens max, and then eco 60-hour runtime. And it is dual power. I'll show you what I mean by that here in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and open this package. So you're seeing it as soon as I found it. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I need one of those package opener up thingers. I'll kind of pull this open. Hopefully I don't cut myself. That wouldn't be a good thing for a Saturday afternoon. So now that I have the package open, it took me some doing. So 1000 lumens on this flashlight. I recently did a video on this flashlight right here, and this one was 500 lumens with a dual power, and I'll show you what the dual power means. There's some kids out there skateboarding or something, so if you hear something, I apologize. I'm trying to keep you informed. So the thing I like about these Husky flashlights is their build quality. And this one is a little bigger than my previous video. I'll put a link to that video here. But so what I like about these is to charge them. This one comes with a battery already in it, and you kind of do that, and it comes with a battery already in it, and apparently you have to take this out to charge it, which is fine with me, and screw it back in there. It also has a swivel on the flashlight itself that you can, and it clicks into place so you can hear that, and then it goes right there. So let me see where the on button is. All right. Oh, you can actually get through this. Okay. Okay. So you don't have to take the battery out. That's cool. So you can if you want to, but you don't have to take the battery out. They got this rubber stopper, and that's how you charge it with the supplied cord. And the cord looks to be about 12 to 14 inches long, and it does have an adapter. It goes from USB-C to USB-C, and then it has a USB-C to USB-A adapter on there. So that's pretty cool. And what it means by dual power is if you're not in a place where you can charge it, but you do have batteries, you just take this out and put the other one in. I believe, yeah, you put this copper side down, and then you put your batteries in here. Looks like it takes three AAA batteries, and then now you can turn it on and off. So apparently the on and off button's right here. So let me get that on there. So that's pretty cool. The only issue that I've seen with this one is I have a real big flashlight, Husky flashlight. You just gotta be able to put this somewhere where you remember where it is, because once it's gone, it's gone. So note to self, keep track of the battery stuff. Put it in a bag, mark the bag or something, and so you take this and put it in there, drop it down, and that's pretty cool. So in this, I believe this is magnetic. pretty strong magnet. I don't guess you want to go flailing it, but enough to stay on a cabinet or something like that, which is pretty cool. And then now that I have the battery in there, so this is, you're seeing this with me, 5 modes, which is turbo, high, medium, low, eco, and strobe. So you got high, medium, low, eco. That's kind of eco, strobe. So you got high, medium, low, eco, strobe, and then we flip it on high, and then you hold the button down to kick it into turbo mode. And turbo is 1300 lumens. On this one is 1300 lumens. And you click it again, and then it goes back to normal. So normally it's on high, and then so you have to turn it on to high and then hold the button down for 3 seconds or so, and then go down. So that's pretty cool. Got a belt clip, and what I like about that is you can carry it like that. Now it's a little big for your pocket, I think. Now it has a 90 degree swivel head for versatile applications, includes 1 rechargeable battery and 1 USB input charging cable. Hold button for 3 seconds and high to activate turbo mode. Memory mode will activate after a mode has been left on for 10 seconds. The integrated battery indicator in the power button. Okay. So tells you it's green. 4 levels is green, and then yellow, red, and red flashing means you need to charge it right away. So if it starts going to yellow, this will go to yellow, and then red, and when it gets to red flashing, it's about to die. That's kind of like how this one was. This is the same way. This is yellow right now, see? So okay, and then a magnetic base and pocket clip included for easy carry. That is a pretty nice flashlight. Again, you got to keep up with these battery deals. That's the only thing about the Husky. Maybe I wish it would come in with a case or something, so you could just put the whole case away. Rechargeable. You can see the size difference. Now this one here is, let me get my ruler out. I liked this one because it was a lot easier to carry in your pocket. And this one is about 4 3/4 inches long. This one is right at 6 inches long, and about 1.25 inches in diameter, whereas this one is about 7/8, 3/4 to 7/8 thick. You can kind of see the difference in the two. That's a really cool flashlight. Now this is item number, again, I apologize for the kids outside. The item number is 101110558. You're opening it with me. Here, the first look, and this is the 1000 lumen dual power flashlight from Husky with the swivel head. That's pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of the old military flashlights, if you remember what I'm talking about. So, just a really cool flashlight. I'm a sucker for a flashlight, so I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, appreciate it if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Tim and Eric Tillman back at you.
I'll be back.